At Sheffield, the Germans with their flags and banners. The Uruguayans with their inflammable tempers. Uruguay began well, hit the bar, had a shot handled on the line, gave away this strange deflected goal by Held off Haller, lost control. Tilkovsky. Uwe Seeler, battered but indestructible. Centre forward and symbol. His very name's a war cry. Now the trouble starts. First with Cortez. Franz Beckenbauer, elegantly gifted linkman, used too cautiously. But there's nothing cautious about this free kick. Trocher goes first. The captain sent off a kicking Emmerich. Now it's Silva, while Haller writhes in convincing agony. After this, the deluge. A casual goal for Beckenbauer. A thunderbolt from Seeler. Now Haller scores.